What is up, guys? So it has been a while since I uploaded, so I'm gonna make up for it by uploading much more and going over a specific roadmap of what I plan on doing in the next coming week, in the next coming few weeks, months down the line. So I've been basically trying to map out my channel and where I want it to go. So first, let's get into what I should have done about 2 weeks ago. Actually, about 3 weeks ago, I believe, when we did the Bootstrap final project. If you look on here, I should have covered week 5, which is the final project, this site. And then after that, we had a break for a week, and recently we just finished week 1 of React. So tomorrow I'm going to upload a video on React. Once I go over this video. So basically, once you finish Bootstrap, they give you like a digital certificate with your name on it, saying this person completed the bootstrapped portion of Nucamp. And I have a store somewhere. I don't remember where, but I think I can re-download it in case I do lose it or something like that. So yeah, you get that. You can use it to show off or whatever. But I think what's more important is actually building out projects, because certificates, they don't really mean much unless you can actually show that you know how to build something. So yeah. So if you remember last time, let's go here. I showed you this, as you can see, of how I wanted the project to go as far as the outline. So home, about, explore, blog, resources, contact, and the yellow was what I was going to work on in the future. And actually I'm going to work on a couple things in the future. I'm basically going to do the same project I'm going to do in React. And if I show you the actual website, if I go here, as you can see, this is what I built with Bootstrap. I took some fonts from Google Fonts. I was basically just looking at some websites to get some general ideas of how I wanted the outline to be, and I created it with Bootstrap. As you can see, it has a hover effect. When I hover over this, it lights up, well, it darkens. So I basically just took what I had from the outline and put it into here to further explain what the website is about. And I only have 3 pages, and I have this page, the about page. It's responsive. If I go to inspect, over here, as you can see, it's responsive. iPad. So yeah, all of the pages are. If I go back to the home page, some wonky things like this, like the pictures not being exactly aligned, but it doesn't really matter because it's just a basic project. So let me X out this. Let's go back to the about page, and this is just going over. This is basically just to show my skills on Bootstrap. So if we go back to the inspect page right here, and if you go to the right here, you can see that I'm using plenty of Bootstrap elements like container, rows, margin top, as you can see, content, blah blah blah. So you can see I have the Bootstrap links. Some using Bootstrap, not just CSS and HTML. So yeah, and I have the why, goals, current, what I'm planning on doing for future goals for the website, and what I'm currently doing. So you can read this, you can pause and read if you want to. And this is not me. I just took this from some random, those free picture websites. Can't remember where, But yeah, and I have the contact me page, or contact us with a form that works. You can see, so yeah, it works. Go back to the home page. So yeah, this is my Bootstrap final project, and if I go here, I actually did an outline, like can't remember what it's called, like I can't remember what it's called, what the word is, but I did a more in-depth outline of what I want it to be. So if I zoom in, you can see it looks pretty similar. The logo, the links, the one big photo, and these, and I have some outlines of what I wanted the other pages to be, and I changed some things like the about, changed this around, but in general it's pretty similar. And once I actually get to React, I'm going to actually do it like these other pages I didn't do it, like the explore page, the blog, etc. resources. I'm going to actually do the pages pretty similar to what I have here. So when I did the React portion, the final project, because if you look here, we have the final project for React 2. So yeah, but it doesn't really matter what the project is. You can like redo the project, which is what I'm doing. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the Bootstrap portion goes, the final project, etc. And so yeah, so as far as the what else I want to speak on, I want to speak on like what I'm actually getting into. Like I have up here, since we're getting into React, it's pretty JavaScript heavy. Like I feel like I have like a rudimentary, whatever the word is, understanding of JavaScript. So I want to like start up this book again, and you can actually get this for free, the 3rd edition. If you go to the website, you can read it on here. So if you go to introduction, see, you can actually read it on here. But I have a Kindle version of this, so I'm gonna read it on the Kindle. So I'm gonna like start up this book again and read it. Hopefully finish it by the time I'm done with React, so I can give a more in-depth understanding of JavaScript. And we do go over, like in the last video, we do go over JavaScript, like review stuff like that. But I want to have like a more in-depth understanding of it. So yeah, this is I was reading some of it. It's pretty good introduction book to JavaScript. But you want to make sure that you're actually like building stuff, and that's what next I'm going to get into, which is what I'm actually planning on doing as far as the other projects I have in mind. Like for example, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to hold myself accountable by actually building out other projects on top of the React project. Like for example, I have one idea here that I outlined. It's right here. If you look here, this is one of my ideas. Was like a student portal, where there's like a login page, verification page, blah blah blah, and this is the mobile version of it. But it's not going to actually be a mobile version. It's going to be like this is probably going to be like a button I'm going to have, where it's going to be like mobile or web desktop version. And whatever you click, it's going to lead you to the different website interface. So yeah, this is the desktop version. Teacher portal, student portals. So it's probably gonna be like student and teacher. If you click teacher, it's gonna lead you here. Click student, it's gonna lead you here. So yeah, so this is one of the projects I'm gonna build on alongside the other project I have, and I'm basically gonna document the whole thing on my YouTube channel. And once I come up with some other ideas, I'm gonna document them all, show my process behind building them, how I'm gonna outline them, what I'm gonna go about to designing them, etc. And I'm actually gonna eventually build out a portfolio page, and I actually do have an outline for the portfolio, which I will show in some future video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see what else. I'm trying to see if I have any other things. Oh yeah, so some other future videos I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually review Bootstrap, like as far as how I feel about the course in general. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't really have anything else to talk about. Check my notes. Yeah, that's it. So thank you all for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna have like much more videos this week. I'm gonna upload another video tomorrow on React week 1, and I might upload another video on like Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of videos this week. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Comment if you have any questions on Nucamp, HTML, CSS, web development in general, and I'll respond as quickly as I can. Peace out, guys.